While the world's eyes are glued to the war in Ukraine, something big is brewing in the shadows. Iran and Russia, two countries under the constant glare of Western sanctions and suspicion, are quietly forging an alliance that could change the rules of the game. But why are these two powers coming together now? Let's break it down. For decades, both Iran and Russia have felt isolated by the West. US sanctions, international pressure, endless warnings. These things have a way of pushing old rivals toward friendship. It started slow. Oil deals under the table. Arms trades with a nod and a handshake. By the 2010s, they were teaming up in Syria to support the Assad regime, building trust on the battlefield. After the US pulled out of the Iran nuclear deal in 2018, Iran's leaders realized it was time to look east for partners, not west. Pause for a second. Tap that subscribe button and join KnowSync. We break down real events that matter. Now, with Russia locked in a brutal war in Ukraine, this alliance has gone into overdrive. Iran has allegedly supplied Russia with thousands of kamikaze drones, those same Shahed drones that have hammered Ukrainian cities and power grids. Recently, Iran has even handed over ballistic missiles, a move that sent shockwaves through Western capitals. Is Iran just a bystander, or has it become an active player in the European war theater? So, why does Iran risk it all to back Russia? It's not just about being helpful. By supporting Russia, Iran gains access to cutting-edge military technology, fighter jets, missile defenses, even cyber surveillance systems. It's a way to break out of isolation, project power, and make the world pay attention. But this growing alliance has the West seriously worried. The US and its allies are slapping on more sanctions, tracking shipments, and warning that things could escalate. More friction, less room for diplomacy. So what comes next? Are we watching the opening moves of a much bigger global conflict? Or are we already in a new type of war, one fought with drones, sanctions, and data instead of just tanks and bombs? Only time will reveal the true cost of this silent partnership. This is KnowSync, where knowledge meets clarity. Tap subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss global updates. Let's know, sync, and grow together.